Tatami 352 kilo quarter-final contest. Middleweight judogi from Tajikistan, Madina Kurbanzona. Middleweight judogi from Kazakhstan, Sandugash Temirbek.
Birinchi tatimda Abdulaziz Sharofiddinov g'alaba qozondi. O'zbekiston. Birinchi tatimda chorak final bellashuvlari boshlanmoqda. 57 kg vazn toifasi. Oq judogida Janar Joltasheva, Qirg'iz Respublikasi,
Kyrgyzstan, Azar Kayayev.
Sivkat Turgan,
Next contest in judogi from Tajikistan, Bini Omon Nazirov. Middleweight judogi from Kazakhstan, Temirlan Kenjaliyev.
دسته منتخب آمریکا از دست
Diaz Joldubayev from Kazakhstan. And next contest in judogi from Tajikistan, Alisher Mirzozoda. In judogi from Uzbekistan, Farruh Tobilbayev. Tatami 3 to women. In judogi Bini Omon Nazirov, Tajikistan. And next contest in judogi from Tajikistan, Shenavliyo Isokov. In judogi from Kazakhstan, Murat Ermiyaz. Tatami 3, judogi Murat Ermiyaz, Kazakhstan. Tatami 2, golden score. Tatami 2, the winner, Shohruzi Bozulayev from Uzbekistan. Tatami 3, the winner, Middleweight judogi Shenavliyo Isokov, Tajikistan. Tatami 2, next contest, Middleweight judogi from Tajikistan, Iskandar Mahmadxo'jazoda. Middleweight judogi from Uzbekistan, Sardor Himmatov. Tatami 3, next contest, Middleweight judogi from Uzbekistan, Samandarbek Abdugapparov. Middleweight judogi from Kyrgyzstan, Muslim Ikhrov. Tatami 3, the winner, Middleweight judogi from Tajikistan, Madina Kurbanzoda. Next quarterfinal contest in white judogi from Georgia, Ino Tatarishvili. In blue judogi from Uzbekistan.